Mike here with CBI Off-Road. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our 5th Gen 4Runner side steps. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first thing we're going to be doing, if you have factory steps, you're going to go ahead and remove those. If you don't, we're going to go underneath here and we're going to have 6 factory bolts right here. There's 2 here, 2 in the middle, 2 in the rear. And we're going to go ahead and remove those. We do provide longer ones that are going to go along with our brackets. Alright, so our next step is we got our brackets laid out, and these brackets are labeled. You're going to see a D3, so this is a driver's, and it's the 3rd one, so it's going to be the furthest one back. We have a D2, which is going to be obviously middle one. Then we have D1, it's going to be our front one. Again, on the passenger side, we have P3, P2, P1, all the same order. So let's go ahead and get these set up in place. Alright, so once we got our brackets on, we can go ahead and grab one of our side steps. Now, the way you tell these from side to side is there's a small cutout here in the back, and this is going to be on the rear of the vehicle. So this one is going to be our driver's side, so we'll grab this, we'll set it up there. Now, I did leave these brackets loose so that I can kind of move them around if I need to shift everything and make sure everything lines up good. So I'll set that there, and then we'll grab our top plates. Now, our top plates, you can see we have a short one and a longer one. Short one is going to be going on the rear. It's going to sit right there. And then our longer one, we're going to move right up front. It's going to sit right there. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to grab some of our hardware. You're going to have some 5/16 button head bolts and some serrated flange nuts. We're going to go ahead and grab enough of these to bolt these down. And again, we're just going to install them loosely first until we get everything situated where we want it. And we'll go ahead and tighten everything down. Alright, so we're going to have 2 holes that go into this front bracket right here. Then you're going to have two more holes here in the center of our top plate. They're just going to be holding the bracket down. And we have another 2 in the end of this top plate. And then we're going to have 2 more right here in the middle. They're going to bolt to the bracket again. And we'll finish off the rest here in just a second. Alright, now on our rear one, we have, again, 2 right here, and then 2 through the bracket here. We'll go ahead and put these ones in. We're just going to leave these hand tight until we get everything situated where we want it, and then we'll go ahead and tighten everything down. All right, so we got all the nuts in place, and we're, like I said, we just left this loose so we kind of shift it where we want it, make sure everything lines up. We got this one where we want it, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten all the button heads down, and then we'll go ahead and tighten the brackets up, and then we'll be all done. All right, and that's just a 7/32 Allen for all these button heads. All right, so we got all the button heads all tightened up. So now we just have these last 3 brackets right here. We'll go ahead and tighten those up, and we'll be all finished up, and then we can move on to the other side. All right, and that takes care of the install of our T4R5 side steps for the 4Runner. If you guys have any questions or concerns, give us a call here at CBI Off-Road or email us. Thanks.